Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad ZAKWAN bin Shaharani and my student ID is 2020816 and 106. And now I'm going to explain my assignment 1. So this is first I want to explain about the template, the Arraylist template. This is the Arraylist templates. And the Arraylist template has a method that insert element at the back of the list, and the method insert element at the front of the array list, and method insert element in a specified index of the array list. And we got the return data method and the set data at the specified location and remove data at the specified location. So and for the linked list, we got the class linked list. We got the method that if you want to add new the object data at the front of the linked list, or we want to return the number of element in the list, or we can also to add the new object data at the back of the linked list by using this method insert at back and put the object data. And we got the empty list exceptions, return the next element in the linked list, and we got return the last element in the linked list and remove the first element in the linked list, and the method that remove the last element in the linked list. So for the my main program, I have already called the object and put the new name for list, class list. I put array list, and linked list, and gym main I put as gym, small g. And my attribute I have 4. I got name, ID, price, and length. First of all, this is a program that collect the membership of my gym. I got a gym and I want to keep the data of my customer that walk in with the membership of my gyms. So they should enter their names, ID, the price of the membership, and the length. The length is the range, the range that the membership that the customer purchase. This is the data that we want to ask the user. So this is the loop for the input the data of the user, and this is the loop that get the data from the array list. And after we ask the user to enter their names, ID, membership, the length of membership, the price of membership, and we ask the user if they want to delete the one of the user that have created. For now, I just put 2 loop so that easier to check the error. So after we get the detail of the user, and the program will ask the user if they want to delete the any account. So we can call the method object and get data from Arraylist, and we can type this line of code: gym.getName bracket close bracket dot equal ignore case open bracket delete and close bracket for if you want to remove the data. So after that, if the user have removed the data, and the program will um, pop out we print this output delete successful, and straight away the program will ask the user to if he want to find the data. So if you want to find the data, we can type call the object Arraylist to get the data, and from gym, and this line of code equals ignore case and find. You will find the data in the Arraylist. So for the this is for the summation part. We can calculate the total price of the one user of the length of the membership. So the total will divide by 2 because has a 2 user, 2 data the user will input, and I put the integer max index and mini index for the attribute, and the double and put the value 0 for the max and minimum for 99999, so that it will perform in this if else code, so that it will compare, then it will compare with the value that I have state, and it will compare, and if the value will more than max, it will become the max index, and so if the value will less than mean, so it will be the mean index. So after that, the program will ask the user if you want to move the ID, any ID that any data that have insert. So if the user say yes, it will loop, and if say no, it will straight away print ID is already been moved. Okay. I think that's all for my explanation about my code, and next I will explain about my output from my coding. Okay, thank you. Okay, now I want to present the output of my program. So first, the output is the program will print out the prompt user to enter their input. So enter your name. I try to put Ali, and ID I just put 54, and length of membership 2 months, and enter the price 20, and the second loop I just put Akamal, and ID 84, the length of membership I just put 65, just random numbers, and the price of membership is 21. Okay, so after I input the data, it will store, and it will show that the data has been stored. and the program will ask the user if you which user do you want to delete. So I just put Ali, and the user has been deleted successful, and the program will ask the user which user do you want to find, and I just find Akmal, and end up the all the total price of Akmal and the average and is print out, and the program will ask enter your ID that you want to move. I just move Akmal, ID Akmal, and if we if we type yes, it will loop another one. So I just put no, so that we can see the final output, and the final output is ID already moved. So that's it for my my presentation about the output of my program. So thank you.